What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how to fix the curb rash on your car. If you make the mistake like I did and hit the damn curb or drive through the car wash and scrape your wheels, I'm going to show y'all a quick way to fix it. Alright, as you can see, I have curb rash all right here on my wheels, all the way around. So first thing you want to do is clean the wheels. So let's clean the wheels. Now you can use whatever you use to clean your wheels just to get it clean. Because you don't want to paint over dirt when you start using the product. So you just wipe it down. Make sure you get all the dirt off of it. Now, if it's real bad, you might want to sand it down. But consider mine's not that bad. It's not that deep. I'm just going to wipe it off. Now, this paint pen has two ways to use it. You can use the pen part, or you can take this off and use the pen. Considering this curb rash that I have on my wheels, I'm gonna use the part that has the brush. When you do it, you wanna go in one direction. Just wanna hit one direction. And the first coat can be light. Always try to rub some off on the side. Put it in, try to rub it off on the side. Go back up. Let's see. One direction. Now this is just the first coat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish this. All right, guys, this is after the first coat. It's just starting to look a little better. I'm gonna put another coat on here. And again, it's not gonna be perfect as if you had newer wheels, but it definitely take away that white look. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys the finished product. But it's gonna take about 30 minutes to let this first coat dry, and then I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, guys, here's the finished product. As you can see, it looks a lot better than it did. When you can see the white on the outside of the wheels, you can definitely see a difference because you don't see the white curb rash that you see on the outside of your rims when you hit the curb or something scratches your wheels. So I'll probably put another coat on. The more coats you put on, the better it looks. Again, what I used was Fast Fix 2-in-1 Paint and Primer, Gloss Black. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can order this. And you can use it on your paint, use it on your wheels. It's really good for just, touching up your wheels and, the paint on your car. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's a link in the description where you can order this. Appreciate everybody watching. See you on the next video. Peace.